Okay, I'm going to continue this video for the people that started. I mixed mica powder in with my epoxy. This epoxy is, I did 10 ml for each color. I'm going to mix the pearl color. I don't think I can see it. It doesn't take a lot of color to get what you're trying to achieve. So this is just going to be how I basically do the two color mica with epoxy on my cup. Okay, I'm going to do the white first. You just want to get your coverage, cover up the glass. It doesn't have to completely opaque the glass, just enough to cover so you can have a good frosty color. You can see how it's getting covered. Okay, see how it's all covered? Then I rinse my brush out with acetone. Next is going to be the gold. I always do the handle in gold, or the handle on the bottom color. I guess this will be another baby. It's cold outside because it's going to be white and gold. And here's the gold mica powder mixed in with the epoxy. It is getting dry because I was trying to do that. It's getting hard. I was trying to do the live, but my phone won't do it. So this is what we're going to do. I'm just going to get all the gold on there. Sorry about my dogs. There's the gold. What this mica powder does is it gives it a shimmer underneath the glitter. My epoxy hardened a little because I was waiting too long to try to get the live on. But this is basically what we do, what I do. Just get a basic cover. Now what I'm going to do is get my glitter on it. I'm just going to use fine glitter, fine gold, and probably the White Recollections from Michael's, the snow. Okay, that's all on there. I'm just trying to get the leftover. It's kind of thick right now. So I just want to make sure that everything's covered with epoxy. So what I do now is I'm going to add a little bit of heat to get it moving. And I'll check areas that don't have epoxy, and I'll just move it around just a little bit just to make sure that I'm going to get my glitter coverage that I need. Like right here. Okay, so glitter's going on next. The white looks great, my gold. When you mix anything with epoxy, it changes the chemical structure, so it starts to harden a lot quicker. You do have time to work, but you want to try to get it done. Okay, so now it's ready for the glitter. So the glitters I'm using is going to be the gold for the bottom. Let me get my paper to catch the glitter. When you do a cup with a handle like this, you need to make sure that you clear your space. Don't have it too low, or else you won't. The handle will touch the handle will touch the paper at the bottom. So I'm just going to pour gold, lightly gold glitter. I hope my hand's not in the way. The next color is going to be my white. I have a white iridescent glitter that I use. And it's right here. So this white is going on next. This is what gives that really pretty frosted look. You ombre over your gold. Get the handle. Once you get your white on, I'm going to turn it the other way so I can get the other side of the handle. Plus, if you turn it the opposite direction, there might be some spots that you didn't get. So once you get your white on, you want to make sure that your white's on all your spots that you need. So I'm going to go back with my gold. Just to make sure my coverage looks good. Sometimes ombres don't. They need a little more of the bottom color to match up with the top. But this looks pretty good. It's pretty well covered. So that, I like for the gold to be on. See how it got on my cup? Now what I'm going to do is brush it. You need to get like a really soft brush. I'm going to let it dry a little, and then this part right here I'll brush off so it's not gold up there. But that's what I do, and then you just let it turn, and it will turn for 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours. And then I'll do my decals. I'm going to turn it off so I can pick up some of this gold. You can see how I brush it off. Okay, you let it dry and then you brush it off. But thanks for watching.